Experience university life like never before at Saga Reno, a student accommodation that's your ticket to a lifestyle upgrade. These 2 to 5 bedroom apartments come with cozy beds, featuring memory foam mattresses, and the perfect study corner for productivity. Start your day with a caffeine boost from the complimentary coffee machine, then hit the gym for a power-packed workout. After studying in the community workspaces, relax in the outdoor spa, or dive into the resort-style pool. Water, electricity, and high-speed Wi-Fi are covered in your rent for a convenient stay. From roommate matching and community events to the convenient availability of on-site parking, maintenance, and package locker, everything is curated for your ease. Also, the University of Nevada and Multnomah University, Nevada are just a stroll away, so you'll always get to class on time. And with nearby bus stops like N Virginia Street and the Reno Amtrak station, your travels to explore the city will be effortless. So, secure your stay at Saga Reno via amberstudent.com now